Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I am gonna show you how to unblock someone on Messenger. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. You guys have to simply open a Messenger app on your mobile phone. So after opening a Messenger app on your mobile phone, here you guys have to simply tap on the top left corner of three horizontal lines, which is menu button. So you guys have to simply select that. So after selecting that, here you guys have to simply tap on the top right corner of settings, and after clicking on setting icon, here you have to simply scroll down. So after scrolling down, you guys will be able to find an option which is privacy and safety. You guys have to simply tap on it. So after tapping on privacy and safety, here you guys have to simply just scroll down and you guys will be able to see the option which is blocked accounts. So you guys have to simply just tap on it. So after tapping on it, it will provide you a list of all the blocked users or blocked chats. You guys have to simply select any one of them which you want to unblock. So after tapping on any one of them, you guys have to simply tap on unblock, and it will ask you for unblocking. You guys have to simply tap on unblock, and in this way you guys can unblock someone on Messenger. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.